e-learning lesson, we're going to cover how to add a new customer's information to the system, how to update an existing customer's information, how to add account adjustments for a prior balance or credit, and also to print your first report for customers and their balances. We're going to open Wise Option, go to your Customer tab on the main screen, and from here we'll click Add. We can then type in all of the customer's information. When you choose to tab over to the sort ID, it will auto-populate that information for you. From here, you would continue to fill out phone numbers, addresses, emails, websites, anything that you would find of interest. We'll put in his business phone number. You would continue to fill out the rest of this information. Your active clients or the active clients that you're currently dealing with. You can choose to charge APR or not for specific clients. You can choose to hold their bill, and you can also flag for a client. Once you've filled out this information, you're going to click Save. It will add that record to the list. And now Brad is right here on my list. If I wanted to update his information, I can click on it one time and then select the Update button. I can then edit any information on here that's not correct or that has changed and save again, and it will be updated. So from here, we can go to Brad's account, click on him one time, and access the Account button. Now we're going to click All Dates to make sure that we are adjusting for the correct amount. And for this example, Mr. Wilson will have a past due balance, so we'll click the Charge button. And the first thing we need to do is select a category. His happens to be a balance forward from a past period. If you're not happy with the categories in this field, you can choose to access shortcuts and go to Category. To get more information on this, either access the manual or the other e-learning lesson on categories and groups. Once we've selected the category, we're going to change the date. In this example, we're going to start using Wise Option. Our first billing period would start February the 1st of 2007. So I'm going to date this for January 31st, 2007, and what that's going to do is show up as a prior balance on his bill instead of a current charge for that period. Once I've changed my date, I can come to my unit price and enter in his past due balance with me. We always recommend that you leave very detailed comments for yourself to access in the future. So I will enter in my comment and choose to save. It did add the record. And now I can double check my total down here is the correct total. I'm going to choose to close the account. And then from here we can go to Print and a current accounts balance. And this is going to print a list of all of your clients, all of your customers that you have in, also their balance that they have with totals at the bottom. So that's where you would print your first report. So today we've learned how to add a new customer's information, to update an existing customer's information, to add an account adjustment for a prior balance or credit, and also to print the report for customers and their balances.